So they are the little guys are 1 week old yesterday, and I thought I'd take a little video of them screaming and yelling at their mom, trying to get to mom, so you guys could see them actually wiggling and moving around. I just took them out and weighed them all, and they're all over a pound. Some just slightly over a pound, some a little more than over a pound. And you can see Mama, she's not happy with me because I've been messing with them, and now she's gonna put her head over them and kind of protect them. She's giving me the eye like, leave my babies alone. So let me get her to move over. Tig. There, it's all good. Hey, lie down. So you can see them all squirming in there to get their breakfast. And Tigger's going to do a little cleaning of them now too, as moms do. Ready? One of the other dogs came in and she don't like that. The other dog in there near the babies. Ready to get out of here. So they do yell, you can tell from the very first part of the video that I took. You can't really see them now. She's got her leg covering them all up. But you can certainly hear them, which we hear that all the time, especially at nighttime. They squeak and squawk pretty much all night. Once I get her to, when she stops fussing with them, maybe I can get her to lie down so you can see them all. When I mess with them, like I took them out this morning to get all their weights to see how much they weighed, and I just changed the blanket in their kennel. She gets all protective of them. You can see how she's got her paw over the top of them and kind of trying to cover them up with her head, and she's got her back leg over the ones in the back too. She gets all upset when I take them out and they all start squirming and screaming, and so when she gets back in, then she does her little protective mama thing. She just flings them around with her nose. Get your leg off that one so we can see them too. There we go. They're getting big. Like I said, they're all over a pound, and they're fat and happy, and they all look good. Their looks are changing some. I'd like to see when they get some better pictures once their eyes get open and you can see expressions on their face. But for right now, they're just they're changing a little bit. They kind of look a little more like little dogs instead of little worms. And what I could do is take one away at a time and let them crawl back to mom so you could see them move a little bit. Let's see if we can do that. Start with, this was puppy number 1. And he'll ultimately make his way back to Mama. He might squeak a bit, but he'll figure out where Mom is. Okay, maybe not. Here, dude. Turn around and go that way. Oh, she's going to fling him around now. Oh, there we go. He figured it out. So that was the first one born. Let's see if I can find the second one that was born. It's this one. This was the second one born. So we'll get him moving around now. It didn't take him long to figure out where to go. Move. Okay, this was the third one born. Oh no, that's the same one I just had. This one was the third one born. See his little black nose? His little front foot is all copper, you see it? Very pretty. And more and more of the copper is starting to show through on these little guys now than was originally. So that's number 3. Find number 4. To be this little guy. He's quick. This little guy moves fast. He was the smallest puppy. He's the one I think is going to look most like his mama. He's got quite a bit of copper on him and not a lot of white. Alright, turn around and go that way. So that was the 4th one born. The little blue merle girl was the 5th one. Let me find her. Move, Tig. Move your head. There she is. This is the one that hollers and yells all the time. And just see her little face. It's just so cute. Very pretty colors on her. Okay, head back to Mom. Okay, and the last one to be born is this red marl. Another very, very pretty dog. I think his markings are just spectacular. Look at that face. Oh, maybe he's tired. He's going to go to sleep instead of going back to Mom. Yeah. Yeah, go back to your mama. couple of them are starting to actually get up on their feet now and move around a little bit more instead of just scooting. They're actually standing up on their feet a bit. So there you go. Got a little video of everybody, each individual one, so you can see them all. And now I'll leave them alone and I'll go post this and let you all know that it's up there. Because I've been catching a lot of crap for not having new pictures and videos and stuff like every day. So anyway, they're 8 days old in this video here. They were 1 week old yesterday. Alright?